40 meters. This is 40 meters on the Duo-Bander.
One day this week and get
June the
some
1st.
WD-40 into it to make sure it works.
Boy, this sounds good.
That's a good idea. Yeah, I was wondering about that. That's great. Okay. So yeah, that's great. We can get it over there early. And,
BFO is nice and stable.
Yeah, in the meantime, I think I lost my X510 antenna. SWR just went to hell on both bands. That last rain shower and twister wind that we had, I think did it in.
Filled it up with water, huh?
Well, I'm sure. Well, it's been like 8 years or better, so it's had a good life. But my dilemma is it's 26 feet off the ground, and it's been 8 years. I'm not sure I'm up for that kind of climbing.
Pete here, N6QW. Duo-Bander, working on 40 meters now.
Every time I think about taking the Hicks beam down to do
on the way to Seattle.
WRL Duo-Bander.
Get off I-5 if I was talking to my son or whoever I was talking to, and signals were
75 meters Saturday morning.
down, and I pulled back to this metal building,
N6QW here.
building until the signal increased about 10 dB, and it was amazing.
Put a little WD-40 on the case, sure shine things up.
Yeah, when you go
Audio
out of
sounds
a
pretty
tunnel,
good now.
you know, just about the same time you exit the tunnel is when signal levels come way up for a moment, and then they go down to normal again.
There's an area, see if I have it. There's an area.
Pete here, N6QW. I literally rebuilt this Duo-Bander. Most of the capacitors and resistors have been changed, new parts installed, a couple of new tubes, a couple of swap-out tubes.
Didn't use the illustrator with Peter, that's where I talked to Mike. Okay.
Bad noise coming up.
That used to be a very busy repeater.
Pete here, N6QW. WRL Duo-Bander, 75 meters.